This is exactly what gives those wild campers a bad name. I've seen this before now. People leaving just lying around. It's disgusting, man. Really does piss me off. Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today on this episode of Hukfyn Bushcraft. On the whole, the people in the bushcraft community take pride in the land that they share. They hold a respect for nature and its forces that is common across the globe, especially for those who hunt, harvest and dwell on the outskirts. They often pick up and clear away the rubbish and litter left by the fly-tipping campers, the newbie walkers, or as I like to say, the rubblers. Bushcrafters and outdoors people clear the land of hazards and even rescue those at risk of peril. The phrase "leave no trace" is not just about evading capture or stealth as you stalk your prey. It's a mantra of true outdoors people who respect nature. What you witnessed at the beginning of the video is by no means the worst. We all leave some footprint no matter what we do. That said, I want to start this series by showing a simple process how to take care of our personal hygiene whilst out in the bush, and then recycling the water to the best of our ability. So for this exercise I'm using a Dutch Army rubber folding bowl. This can easily be stored away in your backpack. So just to set the scene, I've got 4 days in the lakes. I've just slept overnight after walking the previous day for about 3 to 4 hours. So I need to clean up, brush my teeth and so forth, all in preparation for the next day ahead. As you can see, I'm using toothpaste, very convenient for a 4-day hike, but I need to get rid of this water without pouring it back into the river because that'll pollute the river. The best way to do this is to pour it into the fire so that the pollutants are caught in the coals that you used for the previous night. The water filters through the coals, then through the soil. Eventually it will flow back into the river once it's followed its natural course. So there you have it. One way, a small way I know, but it's at least a small step towards looking after the environment and animals and creatures that also inhabit that environment. I'll share little tips like this in the future, guys, so keep your eyes out for any future videos. And that, my friends, for all you new subscribers or people who are new to wild camping, bushcraft, camping in the woods, whatever you want to call it, this is how you should leave your little campsite, let's say. You should leave it where it's difficult or nigh impossible for anybody to have noticed that you were there. This is all now, everything's put away, tidied away. This is a little bit flat round here, this is where I was laid down, but you may have even thought that some deer were lying here, but yeah, we'll just mix it up a little bit. But that's how you leave the place where you stay. Respect nature, respect other people. There's nothing worse than people leaving the crap around. There's nothing more annoying and dangerous to animals, livestock, little dogs and other little critters. Enough said. Enough said. So guys, I hope you found this video interesting, and if you want to comment at all, leave your comments in the drop box, the comment section, and please like, subscribe, do all the usual things, press the bell and all them things, and share this video with others, and we'll see you on the next one.